Here I've got ESSENTIELB Wooze L, and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now click on the More under Wireless and Networks, and here just click on Tethering and Portable Hotspot. Select Wi-Fi hotspot, and here smoothly by tapping on and off the icon you can activate hotspot. So from now on you can share network with other devices. Here you can locate the signs, and that means that you can share network with your friends. Here you can see the users that are connected through your Wi-Fi, and then whenever you would like to turn hotspot off, just click here. You can also personalize your hotspot by tapping on Setup Wi-Fi hotspot, and now you can change the network name. And also the password, so just click on Show Password to see what your current password is. Now you can delete the current one and enter a new one. Just remember that the password must have at least 8 characters, and then tap on Save. And that's it. So this is how you can activate, deactivate and personalize portable hotspot. You can also activate it pretty quickly through the upper bar, smoothly slide it down, then locate hotspot icon, it's here, and just click here to activate it. And now it's active. Here you can detect the connected devices. And then if you would like to turn hotspot off, just click here again, and now it's switched off. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.